Here we go. Good luck. This is 2 boxes of Panini Immaculate Basketball. Our team rundown for this break: we have Adam F15 with the Heat, Baby Manning with the Magic, Celtics, Thunder, Wizards, and Nets, Cali West with the Hawks, Claybreaker, Sixers, Grizzlies, Deckman, Spurs, Gojira, Pistons, John Wall 2 with the Jazz, Lakers, Cavs, and Pacers, On a Friday with the Kings, Packer Bob with the Blazers, Papa Giorgio with the Knicks, Pastime, Suns, Bobcats, Bucks, Sadubat with the Raptors, Sammy 8750, Hornets, Clippers, Team Superdope with the Mavericks, Falcon Fan 2 with the Warriors, TK Woo with the Bulls, Triple Dink with the Nuggets, Uno of Uno with the Rockets, and Zero Cool 18 with the Timberwolves. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining. Should be a pretty quick break, relatively speaking here. Hopefully we get something good. A little 2-boxer. Good luck, guys and gals. Orlando sports cards in Orlando, obviously. Little shout out. Thanks again, Kendall, for hooking me up, man. Alright, Kobe pack going to John Wall 2 with the Lakers. He said open them. Good luck. Base. Kobe base. And our first box. Yeah, any of those cards will be random straight up to everybody in the break, not just the hit list. That's my rule for now. I've seen most people doing it today, so I'll just try to keep it consistent with what I saw today. So that's what we got going on with that. Now let's see which way do these go. Alright. So we have a base John Wall for the Wizards. First card, 93 of 99. John Wall base. Throw a Kobe down. And our first hit is for the Rockets. It is a Jumbo Chandler Parsons, numbered 15 of 31. Pretty nice Chandler Parsons patch to kick it off. And that is Uno of Uno with the Rockets. Nice hit to start us off. Chandler Parsons, Jumbo patch, 15 of 31. Next hit is for the Suns, 47 of 99, Larry Nance. That's going to Pastime with the Suns, Larry Nance. 47 of 99, a little white on the corners there. See, Neil, actually this is the first box of this stuff I've opened. I got it from a local shop, and they were only willing to let go of 2 at a non-outrageous price. So I have no idea what came from the others. I saw 2 sitting there, and he said he was holding the other 2, so I don't know. And we have a triple. We got Bulls, Clippers, and Wizards, 70 of 99. Derrick Rose, Blake Griffin, and John Wall. Little trio. Jersey trio. Wizards is Baby Manning. And Bulls is TK Woo. And who else are we looking for? Clippers is Sammy 8750. So we'll take this to the randomizer. Click it 6 times. That was a number from the team draw. Next hit is Mo Harkless. 10 of 25 for the Magic, Mo Harkless. Rookie patch auto. 10 of 25. And the Magic is Baby Manning. The Chinese red variation. This will be our last hit out of this box. Is patch auto Jared Cunningham, and this actually is the Hawks. It is for the Atlanta Hawks. 48 of 99. There's the Hawks. Jared Cunningham, patch auto. That is Cali West with the Hawks. There's our John Wall base on the front, 93 of 99. Going to Baby Manning. It's a pretty rough box. It's got one more. Hopefully it's big. That was kind of weak. Kobe pack for John Wall 2. Good luck. Oh, Ant, do you want your you want the base Kobe shipped? I don't care either way. All base. And second and final box. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again for joining. Hope there's something big in here. First box was weak. On base. Our base is Vince Carter, 51 of 99 for the Mavericks. 51 of 99, Vince Carter. And the Mavericks belong to Team Super Dope. Alright, next hit is off the back. It is Victor Claver for the Blazers going to Packer Bob. This is 8 of 18, patch auto on card. Nice looking card. Victor Claver. 8 of 18 to Packer Bob. Up next, Immaculate Standard. Just a big jersey. Blake Griffin going to Sammy, 8750 with the Clippers. Blake Griffin is 48 of 75, giant one color. And next up we have a card going to the random. Again, this will be random for the entire break, not just the hit list, as I mentioned earlier. We have a Ozzie Smith patch autograph, numbered 8 of 25. Ozzie Smith. Eight of 25. Random that bad boy off after the break as well. Pretty nice. Next up, oh, you didn't think they were gonna hit? Didn't think they were gonna hit. 11 of 25, Mike Conley. Mike Conley, 11 of 25, jumbo patch autograph on card. Going to Clay with the Grizz. And we have one card left that'll also be going to the random, it looks like. It's a multiplayer card. We have our Vince Carter base on the front. Alright, so this is actually the last card of the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. It is going to be numbered to 10. 6 of 10, quad patch. We have Pau Gasol for the Lakers, Kevin Garnett for the Nets, Tim Duncan for the Spurs, and Dirk Nowitzki for the Mavs. Number to 10, quad patch. So take a look there. If somebody owns 2 players and the other 2 guys just have 1, then it goes to whoever has the most. Good luck on that. We'll figure that out in a sec. Alright, that does it for the 2 boxes. It'd be nice to get those other 2 boxes, or 4 boxes from what was left. And then on the front was that Vince Carter base again. Alright, so thanks again everybody. Got a few randoms to do here in a moment.